If your Google Pixel XL is dead, not turning on, or showing no power, this video explains the tested input and output voltages required to bring the phone back to life. Many technicians face difficulty when the Pixel XL motherboard is dead because the problem often comes from a faulty power IC, short circuit, or missing voltage line. In this guide, we share step-by-step dead solution testing points so you can easily diagnose the issue. By using a multimeter and power supply, you will learn how to check the input voltage from the charging port and then confirm the output voltages from the power IC to the main circuits. If any voltage line is missing, unstable, or shorted, the Pixel XL will remain dead. Following this tested method will help you find the faulty IC, capacitor, or resistor quickly. At Sanyo Mobile, we provide 100% working and practical mobile repair solutions for technicians, repair shops, and smartphone users. This guide will help users from USA, UK, Canada, India, Pakistan, UAE, and Saudi Arabia who commonly face Pixel XL dead issues. Watch till the end for complete Google Pixel XL dead repair solution, including voltage testing, motherboard repair tips, and power IC troubleshooting.